Alright, so welcome back to the final part of our bit.ly clone, creating a bit.ly clone from scratch using Flask series. Alright, so in the last part, what we'll do is we will deploy this web app to the internet. We will deploy it using Heroku, the most popular platform. So first, you can go to Heroku.com. If you don't have an account, make sure you sign up for one. You by default get for free 5 free apps. So you can see I have 2 apps already here. So to create a new app, just heading over to here and click on create a new app. Now choose our app name. I'm just gonna say bit.ly clone Flask. Alright. So now what I will say is we will go back to our code editor and we'll go and create a new file. The file must look like this: capitalize P, then proc file without any extension. And you can see this little Heroku icon here. This file is specifically designed to Heroku. And then you can see put the following comments here. It's called web (g_unicorn) app (app). So now what is happening is it's going to tell the Heroku what dyno to install. So we're going to use gunicorn, which is how we can run this Flask app. And now in the requirements.txt, which we don't have one, we're going to create one for now. So we're just going to create a file called requirements.txt. And then in here, what we'll go ahead and say is we'll say Flask, then we'll say workzug, and then let me double check the app.py to make sure that workzug. Okay, remove that for some reason. Okay, good. So it sure works. Alright, so that's, and then we'll put the gunicorn in here. And then what we'll do is we will make commit to our GitHub repository. That's the easiest way to get set up with Heroku. Not via any Heroku commands, but just do via GitHub repository. So now what we'll say is I will git add all this, git commit. I will say added proc file and requirements.txt, and then git push version master. Alright, so now we should get this set up. So now we're going to say is connect to GitHub, and then we will go ahead and say bit okay, so I'm just going to allow it has my organization here. And then refresh this page. So you guys know how to do that. Only if you have organization, make sure you have correct setting. And then, wait, did I guarantee? Yeah, grant the wrong app. Okay, let's refresh again. Make sure you granted the correct organization. And then what we'll say is, should have it now. And now we'll go ahead and say connect here. Go ahead, hit connect. And then we will say enable automatic deploys. And then we'll go ahead and deploy our master branch. Now you can see it's running. But wait a sec. Look, it's installed all the Flask dependencies. And then you can see the proc file. Now it's done. And if we go ahead, it said it's deployed. Now we'll double check. And indeed, our Flask app deployed to the web. Alright, so thanks for watching, and then really glad that you joined the series with me. And then, yes, go ahead and feel free to twist this project and make it put on your portfolio or something. And thanks for watching. See you next time.